Okay, so this is how the Lab 2 Part 2 should work. So I'm going to run it, and when I run it, it should first tell you that you're adjusting the amplitude, and it should show the LED 0 should be on. Now these are dip switches, so you can actually click them down and they'll stay in position, but we're going to use them like buttons, so don't click it down fully, only tap it if you want to adjust it. So when it says it's an amp, it means that you're adjusting the amplitude, and we're going to use dip switch 1 and 2 to adjust the amplitude. Dip switch 1 will increase it, dip switch 2 will decrease it, and the range for this, if you remember, is from 1 to 8. So once you get to the maximum, it should wrap down to the lower, and once you get to the minimum, it should wrap down around to the maximum. So let's increase. So it starts at 5, and if I tap it, you'll see that it's going to show 6, 7, 8, and then when I go one more, it should wrap back around to 1. And then the other way, if I decrease it now, it should wrap back around to 8. Right, so I tapped it twice, so it went down to 7, and so on. Now, if I click the 0 switch again, it's going to switch to now the delay menu, the delay option. So it's going to adjust the delay variable. So now it says delay. So now we can adjust delay, and you see LED 1 is now on. And again, this goes from 1 to 8. So if we decrease it, for example, it's going to wrap around and so on. And if I go the other way, it should wrap. Okay. And then lastly is the echo type. So if I click this one only goes 0 or 1. So initially it's going to be 1. If I increase it, it should wrap to 0 and back to 1 and so on. And same with decreasing. So that's how it should function. If you do everything correctly, this is the way it should work.